Go to Settings, then select Windows Update. Check for updates and install any pending ones. This can resolve compatibility issues with the Mail app. Select Uninstall in Advanced Options to remove the app. Confirm the app is gone by checking the app list. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for Mail and Calendar and click Get. Install and launch the app, then sign in to your account. Access the settings via the Start button. Navigate to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Mail and Calendar, click the three dots, and choose Advanced Options. Try Repair first. If issues persist, use Reset. Backup local data first. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.